Loving Sai Ram to all of you. Welcome to Shri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. So today we are going to travel through a very beautiful world. Okay, so keep your mind cool and start enjoying with me. Are you ready? Yes. So types of birds found in India. Okay, a few birds we have just collected the names, but there may be many. So if you know, you just write to us. Okay, so this is peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock, peahen, P-E-A-H-E-N. So now peahen is female, okay, and peacock is male. So you know peacock is very handsome, see. Okay. Then we have woodpecker, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. See the beautiful creation of Lord, right? So see the combinations. So in fact, you know, sometimes I feel that we should all preserve these all, you know, beautiful birds pictures and start doing painting. So take a Fevicryl kit with you and take a drawing book and start drawing. See the beautiful creation of God, right? And see the eye also is so bright, isn't it? So we have to start loving all these creatures. And also thank God for giving us this beautiful opportunity to see these beautiful birds and animals also. Rose-ringed parakeet, R-O-S-E, rose, ringed, R-I-N-G-E-D, ringed parakeet, P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T, parakeet. Okay. See the different combinations of colors, right? So beautiful. Now we have kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Okay. Then we have bulbul, B-U-L, B-U-L, bulbul. Okay, all these words if you learn, why I am telling the spelling is when you play the game called Spellophon. Are you knowing the word Spellophon? Yes, the game is very interesting. You all should play. That will increase our vocabulary. So during that time, these all will be useful, you know. Great cormorant, G-R-E-A-T, great cormorant, C-O-R-M-O-R-A-N-T, cormorant. Okay. Then we have yellow footed green pigeon, Y-E-L-L-O, yellow footed, F-O-O-T-E-D, green, G-R-E-E-N, green pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N. Have you seen this? I have not seen. Okay. It's very rare. I think maybe found in more bushy places or something like that. In cities we don't find them, right? Yes. So coppersmith barbet, C-O-P-P-E-R, coppersmith, S-M-I-T-H, smith, barbet, B-A-R-B-E-T. Such a cute thing. Yes. Then we have green bee eater, G-R-E-E-N, green bee, B-E-E, bee eater, E-A-T-E-R. Okay. Then we have Asian open bill stork, Asian, A-S-I-A-N, Asian open bill, O-P-E-N, open bill, B-I-L-L, bill, stork, S-T-O-R-K, stork. Okay. Then we have Indian pond heron, I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian pond, P-O-N-D, pond, heron, H-E-R-O-N, heron. Okay. Then we have purple sunbird. This is also very cute. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple sunbird, S-U-N-B-I-R-D, sunbird. Okay. Then we have purple rumped sunbird, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple rumped, R-U-M-P-E-D, rumped sunbird, S-U-N-B-I-R-D, sunbird. Okay. Then we have black hooded oriole, B-L-A-C-K, black hooded, H-O-O-D-E-D, hooded Oriole, O-R-I-O-L-E, Oriole. Okay, this is also so beautiful, see. All creations of gods are so perfect and so beautiful, right? We have to start appreciating it. The more we appreciate and give thank you to God, the more we will get to see the beautiful things in life. Okay. R-E-D, red, vaulted, W-A-T-T-L-E-D, wattled, lapwing, L-A-P-W-I-N-G. So, red, wattled, lapwing. Okay. Then Asian koel, A-S-I-A-N, Asian koel, K-O-E-L, koel. Then we have spot-billed pelican, S-P-O-T, spot, billed, B-I-L-L-E-D, billed, pelican, P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. Yes, this is also so beautiful, right? It's very rare. See, the beak is so big, yeah, but still with their so long beak also they are not hurting the little ones. Okay. Then we have little egret, L-I-T-T-L-A, little egret, E-G-R-E-T, egret. Some call it egret also, no problem. Okay. So, great hornbill, G-R-E-A-T, great hornbill, H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, hornbill. Then we have crow, black crow, B-L-A-C-K, black crow, C-R-O-W. Yes, they are all around, right? But one thing with the crow is, though they are always hungry to eat something, whenever they find some food, they will call everybody, they will say ka, 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 and they will call everybody and then they will eat together. So, that is a thing which we have to learn from the crow, okay. They like to share everything. Then eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle, also so nice, see, so beautiful. Okay. Now we have cuckoo, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. Okay. So, this is so beautiful and she is very common also, most of the time you will see her singing beautifully early in the morning, cuckoo, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. Okay. Then we have lesser flamingo, L-E-S-S-E-R, lesser flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Okay. Then we have Indian roller, I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian roller, R-O-L-L-E-R, roller. Then we have, yes, grey jungle fowl, okay, G-R-E-Y, grey jungle, J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle fowl, F-O-W-L. Okay. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. This is also very common. Okay. Then dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Then we have duck, D-U-C-K, duck. These are also very common. Okay, swan, S-W-A-N, swan. Yes, this is also most of the time we see. It's not very rare. Owl, O-W-L, owl. This also we see, and we see in the night times especially, because they see only in the night times. Okay. And some say that they are good omen, some say they are bad omen. Okay. But I feel all the creations of God is good omen only. Okay. So, we should not say that they are bad omens. Crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Okay. Then we have myna, M-Y-N-A, myna. See, this also is very common, and she sings so beautifully. Okay. Then so many birds we have seen, right, today, and you see so many other birds also in dictionaries or in the books, and if you find, click the pictures, write about it, and you have to make a separate book also, like how they are doing stamp collections and all that. In the same way you do bird collection, it's very interesting. And some people, they go early morning walking also or trekking also sometimes, and they click different birds and try to find out what bird it is. So, that is also very interesting type of hobby. Okay, hobbies always keep us very active and alert. Okay. So now let us see thought for the day for loud reading and handwriting practice, what Sri Madhusudan Sai has to tell us. Okay. All of you are embodiments of love. In all of you there is love and nothing else. You are born from love, you live in love, and you ultimately merge in love. This is said by Sri Madhusudan Sai. Okay. Now see the spellings carefully. It is capital SRI. Okay. There is no full stop out of it. Okay. And then Madhusudan Sai, capital MADHUSUDAN, Madhusudan, and then capital SAI, Sai. Okay. Write this properly and with beautiful cursive writing. Pass it on to as many friends as possible, and during your dinner time when all the family members sit together, you can just read out these lines. It will make your life also and give some interest in life for the others also. Okay. So thank you for watching Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes, Let's Learn English series. I pray to God to keep you happy and prosperous in all your future endeavors. Thank you and Sai Ram.